over in Warrington this morning, do some furniture cleaning. Getting busy now for the start of the new year. Just thought I'd do a little video, show you a little bit around our system. We'll do some upholstery this morning, so we'll get. Okay. All goes outside, collects in the tank there on the van. Have a good day, everybody. Okay, so that's it, little look round. If you'd like to book us in, the best bet is either jump onto our website or any social media platforms. Just message us, send us any pictures of any of the items you'd like doing, along with your postcode, and we'll get back to you straight away. Have a great day.